What's going on YouTube? So yeah, another day, another dollar. Sam Subabawona and I'm Sanjay. We're shooting a fucking music video. And I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm with Wilson, Blessing, I'm with Wilson, Bessie, Bongani, Edwell, and another bro. So yeah, we're shooting content. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be nice, dog. I don't know what day Namhlanje is. No, Namhlanje is the 10th, right? Namhlanje is the 10th, yeah, so yeah. Content it is, dog. Tomorrow I must upload a video. It's shaking my guy, but we'll see you tomorrow, dog. We'll see you tomorrow. A lot to say, a lot to tell y'all. Bring y'all along. But there's the Owens. Gang she.
My bag is on my knee.
Yo. Yo, this is indulging in sensational, dog. Yeah, Bess is gonna have fun here, dog. Bess is about to have fun here, dog. Say hi to the vlog, Bessie. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yeah, Bess is about to enjoy herself, dog.
There's something wrong here. There's something wrong.
You guys don't want to shoot.
There's something wrong.
You will shoot the person.
How are you not enjoying?
And then I'm just climbing up a slide, dog. The stairs are very steep of this shit. I don't know how this is made for children. That's the gang. That's the gang, dog. That's the gang.
I used to have a mic. Give it away, bro.
So yeah, yo, Namhlanje, like I said, or I don't even have said it, but today we're shooting a music video, and yeah, I'm with the boys. The boys are behind me, as you can see. Everyone's there, dog. Everyone's there. Ocean came with the manager. So like, yeah, today's about to be a banger day. Today's about to be a banger day. But please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know what day it is, Namhlanje, if I added these vlogs. But like I said, today, yeah, man. Today we are here. Yeah, let me show you around. Let me show you what we're doing. We're gonna be cook, babe. They actually booked out a restaurant. I don't know if they booked out a restaurant or the restaurant allowed them to shoot, man. Like I said, whichever one it is, dog, there's content being shot, and yeah, I'm there for it, dog. I'm there for it. As you can see, the boy looking scrumptious, dog. Boy looking easy. Boy looking easy, boy. But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, keep love, dog. Love y'all niggas. Let me show you around.
With the flowers.
Must I wear these or not?
Yeah, we those, bro.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Those are like, say, yeah.
So you're gonna come from there, you know? From that side. And then you give it the flowers, and then you move to there. The table. But then I don't think we should let them talk. Should
Let them make like they're talking, dog.
exactly. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Yeah.
I feel like there must be one.
Because no.
Where I just say like, hey, babe,
Some.
like, you know, like.
Yeah, I think
How
when
they
you
talk
get
before.
when you get here,
Okay.
that's when you're gonna only need that scene.
Oh, know what we do, ne?
You only need the scene.
Sondela Paido.
You only need the scene only.
Yeah, right. We have expensive cameras. We can't be
You know what I'm saying? She's swinging here, right? She's swinging, you come behind her. You know that thing of like, say, mvalamehlo.
And then reflector.
Ah, wait, okay. And then what you saying?
I'm saying, say, she's swinging there. Like she's sitting alone, like she's on her phone or something. Then you come behind her type shit. Yeah, my man, she say this one something. Now stop it. Then she decides, you know, talking, type shit.
But you gotta play it through first. Then just that's one like from start.
Sit down, Bessie.
Yes.
Like I say on your
I
phone.
can't help it. Seriously.
Just be on your phone,
Oh,
dog.
like I'm pretending.
Yeah,
now.
put it on your phone. I'll be on your phone, type shit. So you will pull up behind you. Yeah, but you will pull up behind you. I mean, Sam, guess who it is? Yeah. Then you say, some shit, you'll cook some balls,
Like
dog.
she's on the phone.
Yeah, she's on the
But you
phone.
can't give her a car, but
Yeah, I'm just Jay, dog. A prop, dog.
Okay, yeah.
That's the prop,
And
dog.
then wait, she's swinging, huh?
Yeah, she's swinging, dog.
No, wait. She's on your phone talking to. I think maybe she should be like, "What time are you coming?" Something like that.
Okay.
Like, I don't want it to look scanted. You get what I mean? So maybe.
Oh, she's gonna be doing a voice like, what time are you coming?
Exactly,
I've been
something
waiting.
like that, yeah, something
Type shit.
Oh no, wait. No, wait. The best thing is to I don't.
Why are you shy now? Why are you shy now? Say,
Okay, now
Cole
the-
Bennett is kind of shy.
Wait. You know, the best thing is to no, let him record. No, wait, let him record.
Why the fuck these niggas hating on me get that?
Ah,
And if I fuck your bitch, I leave like that and she ain't coming
Ah.
back. Realist in the streets, these niggas cannot compromise.
mm,
And then she leaving for some time.
mm.
All of these flowers,
Ah.
like a devour. Beat up the pussy like I'm Mike No Tyson.
Woo!
Why they hate on me?
Why they hate on you?
I ain't got a Rolex or AP.
Mm.
J's on my motherfucking feet.
Ah, hey, like what? Yeah, the boys doing tins.
Tell me when you're ready.
You ready?
So things in life, you need to work smart, bruh.
Yeah, ne. Ah, that's bruches. Nah, we also gotta buy us a Lambo each, dog. Set.
Start.
3, 2, 1, action.
You wanna go all the way?
Go all the way.
Yo. Eddie, and when you're moving, start moving away from them. Because when I do this, I'm shooting you and then you in front of them. Start moving out of the picture, out of their way. If you understand what I'm saying. They're moving down, no? They're facing this way. Move out of their way because I'm gonna be shooting behind them. You move like to the pole.
Out, you know, your part is done. Then he comes from the back.
But he can still be shooting side view of that side.
Don't have to
The
go
first
do
thing
it at the
must be
same time.
diagonal. Don't be like straight. If it's straight, you're gonna shoot me also, and I'm gonna shoot you also. Just say from diagonal. Because remember, if you're there, you're shooting there. If I'm there, I'm shooting there. You get what I mean? So as I move that side, you must also move other side.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna go towards that
Run it
way.
up now. Run it up, dog. Okay. You ready, Braset?
Right. 3, 2, 1.
Action. Woo. Sounds nice, dog. Yeah, the cook balls, bro. Flirt it, dog. I best laugh now, bro. The fuck? Yeah. It's going well. I like that. I like that. Suara ngabo, we'll cut it out, dog. What do you mean we'll cut it out? We will cut it out. In times like these.
About that something that is, you know, all that natural, about that nature.
One word go, dog. Okay, sure. Anal or oral?
Bro, get out of my face before I punch.
Missionary or doggy?
Now come with your
Bad shots.
Wet or cold?
What?
You might only hold, dog. Everyone didn't answer my question.
What question you gonna ask?
Anal or oral?
Try no.
Try no, both. Once both. This is the history of the land and middle drop in Kokbe. So I don't know who the fuck these people are, but okay, they probably also killed my ancestors. Man, it's part of life, dog. It's part of life, right?
And they didn't kill my ancestors.
Yeah, your ancestors are still fucking there in Zerm, dog, enjoying a life. But apparently, that's where the port and the land, some shit, a line of fishermen's corner was built. Okay, sure. Type shit then. This looks like Ocean View, no cap. Huh?
Huh?
Oh, there's more this side, dog.
We're going to form your
Memory of the dam. Yep, there's a black man. Oh, is that a black man actually? I don't know, but it's part of life, innit?
That's colored man.
That's the colorless of man I've ever seen, dog. I think this is what the corner of Muizenberg. Corner of Muizenberg is crazy, dog. Corner of Muizenberg was crazy, dog.
And then we just
And then just come around the corner.
Disclaimer. I'm single. It's
just acting, dog. It's just acting.
It's just a video. It's not real. What do you want?
We're at the date right now.
At the day, Taiji.
We're at the foodie.
But this normal, y'all have to eat
The
it.
menu will be too much.
Huh?
It'll be too much. Shooting the menu.
Top view normal.
No, I mean, like, why are you shooting the menu?
Top view.
Yeah, top view. Why are you shooting the menu?
It's to the video, the detail.
My sister,
You understand?
because you.
What do you want to eat,
arrange
dog?
it for class.
No,
What do you want to eat, dog?
Choose the expensive. Choose the expensive one. Choose the expensive one. Expensive one. So what chance?
Only you all are eating, bruh. White baby Paris, white baby Paris. No, I'm with you, my boy.
What do you eat?
Anything, dog. Anything you choose, I eat, dog.
Exactly, no, but then now.
When I eat the
Chicken buttermilk fried chicken thighs.
that's what he's doing. Now his viewers are gonna be like, oh, that's the person. It's like, oh,
Hey, mina ngili bag. Mina ngizazi is natural. But I feel like I should try something different.
something different, dog. Something different, dog.
And then I'm the share with you. Don't worry. I'm not too hungry. I want to
Now we have to.
You know, they actually got food, dog. Like I said, they were actually on a date. We were shooting the thing. It was a whole vibe, man. There was actually a whole vibe. You know, we made content. They enjoyed themselves. You know, we got what we wanted. And yeah, this is actually Woshan's music video, short film, and let's see what Woshan has to say. Yeah. How's it going, guys?
so far so good, but time we were mad late. We were late, but yeah, so far so good. So far so good.
Should be doing what, dog?
Can I take a video of you taking
I don't want it.
Yes, what did I say?
I've been there a bun bar shit.
So you got the order, guys. It's actually beautiful. And guys, the guy said because of Rachel, we couldn't make hot chips. And he was like, do you guys trust me to surprise you? I was like, yes, because it's a chef. Dog. Manje put Lays on our table. Lays, dog. And I'm just like there's no nyama. It's just like it's dope. Yeah.
Taishi. Chinjab. I just actually have one thing to say about this vlog, dog, né? Is that it's boons, dog. Like I said, it's boons. Everyone's having fun. Order 8 not died. It was about to go home. Other bros went home. It's just me and my brother, man. So we stand on business, dog. We stand on business, my brother. Thank you, Cece. Thank you, Cece. And then also they forgot a tripod. Now they forgot a tripod. Like I said, niggas are too focused on boons, dog. What? Relax, dog. Men are focused on making things perfect, they forgot a tripod. Imagine you forget the tripod, the box you have the tripod bag, no? I will bounce the tripod bag, but like I said, like and subscribe, yo. This is the type of shit you have to go through. Anyways, I also found more hand, dog. Like I said, I found to zoom and but I didn't zoom because of say, Kwababa, dog. You know, Kwababa will get you, dog. Kwababa will get you, boy. But I'll see y'all in the next one, dog. Love y'all niggas, fam.